Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. Happy 7th of December. Yay! Big apologies. I've not had a chance to read everybody's comments from yesterday yet. I will get to those as soon as possible, but I'm having to do this one quickly this morning because hubby's got some deliveries coming. They've decided that he now needs a hoist to get around. Oh my goodness. So where that is going to go, I don't know. It's a portable one. We're very limited on floor space as it is at the moment, with having to move things around for having the bed downstairs. So where that's going to go, I don't know. And then we're also getting some other pieces of equipment as well. And yeah, that's all coming later on. So I am doing this one reasonably quickly, just so that I can keep up with my advents. I don't want to do 2 days together. So let us see what we've got this time. Get into them. And yeah, I'm sure tomorrow I will be telling you all about all the deliveries and what happened, and whether I'm now having to live outside in the shed because there's just no room for me in the house. Only kidding, only kidding. Yeah, we're getting a new armchair and it's like, okay, we're getting a new one. What do we do with the old one? I don't want to put it in the garage. Not that there's a lot of room in there either at the moment, because mice and things might get it. So yay, all good fun. Anyway, so we have our Diamond Painting Deutschland Advent Calendar to open, day number 7. We have our National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation to open, and we have our lovely Fancel Snowman box to open. So let's put these two out of the way for now. We will have a look in this one first. This is like, it feels like it's in a box. It's a little bit, has it got a hanger at that end? No, I don't think it has. It's a solid, well, it's a plasticky box, I think. Well, it is quite solid. So yeah, let's have a look and see what we've got today. Loving all these, absolutely loving them. I am getting my gonks done, and I am going to have to start my snowflakes because I need them. So yeah, congratulations to the ladies that are actually doing them as they get them and getting them all put out. I'm still doing Christmas presents at the minute in between everything else, so it's chaos. So what is this? What is this? Oh, it's a tin. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a nice tin. Ah, that's what I could feel on the back. I had a bit of a squidge while I was setting up to do my video. So, nice little oval shaped tin. Okay. Let us see what we have. In a box, in a bag, in a box. And, oh, can I get it open? Has it got, oh, that's it. Oh, it's got hinges on, so it has to open this way. So do we press it in? That's it. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a posh one. Oh, and it's blue. All my blue ladies, we've got a blue pen. It's a shame it's not hot pink, but never mind. It's a very nice blue. It's like an electric blue, isn't it, inside? Look at that. So we have a diamond painting pen with a very, very fine nib on that end. These I don't really use, if I'm honest. I tend to use this end more. These are like picking up your special drills and your big special drills. They're like a little bit sticky on the end, a little bit like a wax crane. And we've got 2 refills as well. So yeah, because sometimes there are different sizes of these, which I didn't realise. So sometimes you can buy the refills for these pens and you've got the wrong ones. There's one that's got a really, really thin sort of twisty bit. That's a technical term. And then there's one that's got a really, well, like this one, a bit thicker one. So yeah, okay. So this is very, very useful. So yeah, I do think possibly the pen should have maybe come a bit earlier in the unboxing. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I mean, we got the multi-placers, didn't we? But they wouldn't fit on this one anyway. This is more for your special drills. I suppose that end is more for like, you can get those really little teeny tinies that are basically like a full stop on top of an I, the letter I. That are so small. I suppose it would pick those up really well. And you just need to put, I don't think you'd get a glue dot in there, but you'd certainly get your wax in there. It is very, very a small tip. But it depends what you're using, and it depends what you like. You can take these off, but if you do, the gems in the middle are likely to come out. I speak from experience. I have done that several times before. Yeah, who learns from making mistakes? Not me. So yeah, oops, these just pop off. You won't lose your gems out that end, but I do think if you take that end off, they will come out. I'm not even going to try it, so yeah, sorry. But that is a super present. I mean, I just like the packaging and opening a sort of a luxurious little tin. I mean, if you're giving it as a present to somebody, you could even put the name in gems on it. Ooh, all sorts of things there. So if you're taking it to a craft group, you could always put mine on it, or keep out. Keep everybody guessing what's in it. But yeah, I liking that, and I like the fact that it fits in the foam as well. It just makes it feel a bit more luxurious, high class, shall we say. I would think with the tin and everything, £5.50 is reasonable for that. Yeah, I think we're definitely getting value, and overall we're definitely getting value with some of the items that we've got. So we will pop that back in there. Look at that. Oh, it just looks so sparkly sat in there. I think I might just have it out on display and say, look at me. Oh dear, nobody would believe it, Liz. Just nobody will believe it. Let's have a look at our National Lampoons next. So I've not had a chance to read any comments yet as to what you think that is, so I will have a look and we'll have a chat tomorrow. And I don't need to go looking for number 7 because it's there. This is the only advent calendar I'm sure that I've ever had that has gone 1 on all the way up to 24 all in order. So I'm not having to sit and say, okay, where's number 7? And everybody's shouting, it's there, Liz, it's there. And I can't find it. But anyway, I can on this one because it's there. So, oh, is this one a bit bigger, or is it, does this one look a bit longer, or is it just my eyes? It could be just my eyes. I'm sure they're all about the same size, if I'm honest. Oh, I don't know though. The number 13 looks quite, oh no, I think they're all the same size. It's just the way I'm looking at it. Just get on with it, Liz. Look, it's not wanting to come out. Come on, come on, let's get you out. Oh, what's that? Oh, what have we got? Oh, we've got the daughter. Oh gosh, I can't remember her name. I'm terrible with names. I'll put it on the screen. I'll look it up and I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, oh, Audrey, isn't it? Audrey. Yes, I think it's Audrey. If it's not, I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, she's brilliant. The looks that she gives her dad. And when they go out looking for the Christmas tree, her dad says, look at this, Audrey. And her mum says, oh, well, she has to look at it because her eyes are frozen open. And the tramping through the snow, and she can't feel her legs because it's just so cold. I think it's brilliant. Oh, dear. Yeah. So that's the daughter. Wow, she's big. Definitely not to scale, but at least she's got 2 legs. Still not quite sure why Aunt Bethany's only got 1 leg. No, there's nothing broken off because it's very... Oh, I don't know though, maybe. No, I don't think it is. So, not quite sure on that one. Maybe it's because they're trying to make her a wobbly old lady or something. I don't know. So, yeah, we're getting quite a few characters. And we will see what we get in this one tomorrow. Okay, so pop that one to one side. Running out of space on the desk. And let's have a look what's in this one. This is the fan cells box. Oops, let me just pop that out the way over there. And with the fancy lid, which I absolutely love. And number 7 has just said, hello, I'm here. It's right there, look, looking at me. Yay. So these are all Christmas decorations. Not the highest quality, but still okay. And very pretty. We got the lovely bell yesterday. that's out on my desk. And oh, this one's a huge bauble. Now then, this will be fun. It does feel as though the little doors that you open aren't quite big enough to get the items through, because I'm trying not to destroy the advent calendar. Look, it's stuck. Okay, so we've got a large golden bauble. Yay! So that's another one. So it's a, oh, I was just about to pick this up and say, look, it's the same as the look, it goes with the ones I got earlier on, but that's my headband. So yay, that all matches in. So we can have a bell there, look, and we can have a gold bauble either side. I'm making decorations on my desk. This is going to be fun to do unboxings though, isn't it? Because I'm possibly going to run out of space. I'm definitely not going to get anything bigger than a 30 by 30 diamond painting on my desk at the moment, am I? Oh, dear me. Right, okay, well, as I say, just a quick video today because, yeah, I've got all hubby's equipment arriving, oh my goodness me, and we've then got to decide where it's all going to go and what I'm going to do with it, and I hope they don't just dump it and leave it, because I am on my own. Hubby won't be able to help me move anything, and I don't think I'm really going to be able to move a lot on my own. I think I'm going to need to pick people to help me, so we'll see what happens anyway. It's all good fun. Wish me luck. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing with me and seeing what we got today. I do like this. It's sparkling away. It's very, very plush, very nice. Okay, if you have enjoyed today's unboxing, then a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what tomorrow brings advent calendar wise and other, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye for now.